Hey guys, what is going on? It is Dr. Lens here, and today we are going to do a shorts review. Shorts. I'm so excited for this because, I got bigger legs, smaller waist-ish, and, I want to share with you guys some shorts that may work for you as well. So this is going to be a great one. Before I get into it, don't forget to subscribe and like if you like this video so you never miss another review video, health video, you name it, a little fit tip for you. I'm here to help you. Before I get into the short I am reviewing, just so you guys know, I always forget to say I do have whatever I talk about linked up in the description here. If you shop directly from that link, that does help support me. I truly appreciate it. I'm here to help you, and this is one way to keep, this small little YouTube channel going. Okay, so what short am I reviewing? This may not be no surprise to you, as you know that I do enjoy me some Lululemon. Why do I enjoy Lululemon? Because in my experience, their stuff has lasted me literally at times decades. Okay, that's fabulous for me. It's the Hotty Hot short. Oh, we're gonna be hot in these, girl. And these are the 4-inch lined short. So Hotty Hot 4-inch. Okay, I'm 5'3", 145, 150. I do have bigger legs, so you guys keep that in mind when you're looking at this review. Okay. Alrighty, so let's go ahead. We're gonna just jump on into this. I'm gonna go over the waistband because the waistband is kind of a big deal for me. It can be a make or break nowadays for me with shorts because it depends on how much is covering my tummy area, and I like my tummy covered. So for these ones, the waistband is not as thick as like the tracker short that my favorite Lulu short, but it is thick enough still for me. So you'll see how it hits right under the belly button. Now, I don't wear my shorts normal, like even. I pull them up a little bit higher, and I like the way it feels. It makes my legs look longer. I've gone over this before with you guys, so I like to pull them up a little bit higher, which I show you guys how I like to do that. So this short does allow me to do that, which I really like. This has a continuous drawcord. I felt like in these shorts, I didn't need to use the drawcord as much as I have in the other shorts, meaning that these fit my waist a little bit better. My waist to leg ratio, it fit well. So I didn't have to use that drawcord as much. I'm gonna let you guys know the size here after I'm done reviewing these, okay? All right, so then as far as the length goes in general, I did like the length on me. They felt a little bit shorter again compared to the tracker short, but I still feel like it was flattering. So the length was good there, a little shorter than the tracker. One thing that I like to know is this mesh on the side. So there's a little bit of mesh on the bottom that is different, that is cute, just a little extra flare there. And it looks like, I just noticed that there is a reflector under that mesh. So that's why that mesh is probably there to show through that little reflector, which is kind of hidden. Okay, so we got that feature. Next, we have the side pocket, which I've noticed that they've started doing in their tracker short as well. Not in the speed short, but we got the side pocket, which I like this side pocket because I can actually use it, guys. I can stick my little key fob in there. I can stick my little credit card in there, and cash. Who carries cash? But if you got cash, you can stick that right there and you can reach it, which is awesome. A pocket that you can't reach that are in these shorts, in my opinion, is the secret stash pocket in the liner. So there's a secret stash pocket back here. Okay, I can't reach that. If they're on me, I can't reach it. So, you can put, it's a in case of emergency pocket, so maybe you could put, some moolah in there just in case you get stranded and you need some moolah to get you somewhere. You can put that in there. I'm just making up scenarios now, but there is a little pocket back there. All right. Okay. The back, there's nothing crazy about the back. I'll be honest. Now, they are a little bit longer in the back compared to the front. So you will see that when I'm wearing them in the side view, that they're a little bit longer in the back than they are in the front. And when I'm holding them up as well, you can see they're longer in the front, or they're longer in the back. So again, that's probably why they appeared shorter on me, because they're longer in the back, shorter in the front. That makes sense, Lindsay. Okay. So I didn't mind that because then your booty's not hanging out of the back, and I don't want to show my booty. I don't know about you, but I don't want my booty cheeks hanging out. So I like that. That's good thinking. Now for the sizing. In general, for leggings, my Aligns that I have, I wear a size 4. In their shorts, this is held true for all of the shorts that I've tried on, I wear a size 8. Overall, these Hotty Hot shorts are a winner chicken dinner for me. They fit just slightly different than the tracker where I would have to get used to them a bit, but I do feel they are a great short for working out. These were built for running, which your girl doesn't really run, so I'd be lifting weights in them. I'm wearing them out to breakfast, you know, on a walk. These are out and about. These are what I would wear these Hotty Hot shorts for. So let me know if this helped you guys. Leave a comment below, give it a like, and let me know if you guys have any recs for other brands you would like me to try on. Until next time, we'll talk to you guys later.